Did you know that just one drop of this simple garden mix can make your plants grow like crazy? And keep pests far, far away? It sounds too good to be true, but stay with me till the end, because the result might just change how you garden forever. In this video, we're using two humble ingredients you probably already have at home: garlic powder and baking soda. When combined and used the right way, they create a powerful natural solution that not only boosts plant health, but also repels a wide range of common pests, without a single drop of synthetic chemicals. So let's get right into it. Take 1 liter of water. Rainwater or dechlorinated tap water works best. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic contains natural sulfur compounds that act as a repellent for aphids, whiteflies, and even fungal spores. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps in 2 ways. It prevents fungal infections like powdery mildew, and it slightly raises the pH on the leaf surface, making it harder for pests to survive. Stir it well until both are dissolved. You can add just a few drops of mild liquid soap, not detergent, as a surfactant to help the spray stick to the leaves. Now, here's where the just one drop part comes in. You don't need to drench your plants. A light spray over the leaves, especially the undersides, is all it takes. Apply early in the morning or late afternoon, never in direct sunlight. Use it once a week or after heavy rain. Within days, you'll start noticing fewer pests, and in a couple of weeks, plants look greener, healthier, and more vigorous. Garlic strengthens their natural defenses. Baking soda keeps diseases at bay. It's a powerful duo that works in harmony with nature. No hype, no chemicals, just real results from real ingredients. If this helped you, give it a try and let me know how it works in your garden. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more garden wisdom, and share it with someone who needs a little plant magic in their life. Happy gardening!